Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated Hall of Heroes. So, what is the Hall of Heroes and how do you actually get on the front page of the website with your picture of silver? Well, basically, when we scroll right here, you simply acquire 16 coins in 90 days, okay? Now, you're going to actually end up getting the challenge package, okay? So you're going to order the challenge package, which comes with the box, and it comes with the gloves and many other items like a magnifying glass to observe your coins. But you're going to grab the challenge package for $159, and then you're going to acquire 16 coins in 90 days. And if you do that, go ahead and take a picture, send it in, and you'll be able to get your picture added to here, okay? So this is the Hall of Heroes, and what is the benefit of the Hall of Heroes? Well, it's right here. If we just go a second further, you're going to increase your amount of meals that are donated from 20 to 40, okay? So it's going to double the amount of meals that you are donating to feed my starving children, which is the hero challenge, right? So what I really like about this challenge is that your goal is to stack silver, right? That's your goal. That's why you're here. And then to maybe share it with other people, be able to start stacking silver for free because you're making some money from the program, right? So that's just a secondary goal, though. The reason I got started was to stack silver. So the reason I like this challenge is because it's not based off of how many people are recruiting people. It's not based off of how much volume you got in your team. It's just about stacking your own silver. The challenge is upon yourself, right? It's upon yourself. So if you want to take the challenge, it's for you. That's it. And if you accomplish the challenge, you double the amount of children that you're feeding through Feed My Starving Children. And you can feel good about that, right? And so you're stacking silver with you're taking your dollars, you're putting it into hard, tangible assets like silver. And while you're doing that, you're also helping people around the world, right? Helping children. So how amazing is that? So as you just buy silver, as you do what you're normally looking to do anyways, Quicksilver allows you to feel really good about stacking silver as well. So not only do you feel good preserving your wealth, but it also helps a great cause. So that's what I really like about the challenge. Some programs will have like a challenge where you like win stuff against other affiliates, and that's cool, but not everyone is a recruiting master. Not everyone is good at being able to sponsor people. So that's why I like Quicksilver, is because it's focused on the customer. It's focused on the people who want to stack silver. Okay, that's what this program is focused on, is the product and keeping the product low cost so that we can afford to stack silver. Lots of people in here. So let me go through the Hall of Heroes real quick. Here's the first picture. We got the second picture right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and go through these. So how cool is that? So you can actually get your picture right on the front page of the website, and that will just increase your credibility if you are building a team. So try to go ahead and get your picture on the front page of the website. It will cost you the price of 16 coins. However, you can do that in the period of 90 days, okay? So you don't have to do 16 coins today, but you're going to, in order to complete the challenge, you'll do 16 coins in 90 days, right? So go ahead and go through here. And then there's also a way to complete the challenge instantaneously, which I'll show you in just a moment, okay? So let me just go through these. There's lots of people stacking silver. Okay. Boom. Lots of people deciding to stack silver. Okay. Now also, another thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding all of these pictures and testimonials inside of my autoresponder, and then I'm going to be allowing those, I'll build that funnel for you, and you'll have all of these in your autoresponder when you join my team and work with me. So, here we go, almost done with them. Lots and lots of Hall of Heroes, silver stackers, okay. People deciding to preserve their wealth during times where the dollar is depreciating and during times where precious metals are probably going to be a little bit more valuable, right? And so that's the Hall of Heroes, guys. Now let's go ahead and scroll down and click on Get Started. And then we're going to click on Wealth Ambassador, and this is going to cost you $10 per month to be a Wealth Ambassador and to be an affiliate. Okay. Just make sure your enroller ID is Justin Temple 838152. Scroll down, click right here for the affiliate fee. It'll already be clicked. And then when we scroll down, you're going to take the challenge. Okay, so take the challenge, right? That's what this is. So when you take the challenge, not only are you going to earn double commissions on the challenge just by buying it, you don't even have to complete the challenge to get commission increase. Like that's why I really like Quicksilver, is it's focused on stacking silver. It's not overpriced. It's not an overpriced membership. It's only $10 a month. Other programs are like $40 a month, $60 a month, and it's like why? That's money I could be stacking silver with. So the amount of silver that you have is the most valuable part of silver. No matter what premiums you put on it, no matter what, the amount of silver, just by literally like 30 ounces, 30 ounces, no premium will ever be able to catch up to the difference of 30 ounces of silver. Okay, so that's why I like Quicksilver, is it's focused on stacking. It's customer centric. And so that's why I decided to join Quicksilver over a lot of the other precious metal MLMs. But anyways, and if you want to complete the challenge right away, check this out. So the challenge is to get 16 coins in 90 days. Well, if we go down here, challenge package for $159 plus 16 coins, okay, plus 16 coins, which will complete your challenge package. And then, after that, you'll get 10 coins. So you'll pay this right now, complete the challenge, and then you'll be paying $478.70 per month for the 10 silver coins, right? That's it. So if you wanted to complete the challenge right away, that's the option. If you could actually do this as well, right? So if you did this option, you would get 10 coins per month, which means you would cross 16 coins on your second month, which would be before 90 days, right? So you could complete the challenge here as well, very, very easily on autopilot. And then, let's see, 4, 8, 12. This would come just shy of 4 coins to complete the challenge. So you would want to buy an additional 4 coins or grab this right here. So that's how you can complete the challenge very easily. I grab the 1 coin per month. If you grab the 1 or 2 coin per month, you're not going to end up you're not going to automatically complete the challenge, but you can buy additional coins in the store. So that's just fine. But yeah, like you can actually complete the challenge right away and then get 10 coins a month afterwards. Or you can complete the challenge right away and then you can, email Quicksilver and say, hey, I want to actually do like 2 coins a month, not 10. and they'll help you out with that and stuff. So, that's a really cool option, and that's why I really like Quicksilver, is because it's focused on the actual value and asset of stacking silver. No matter what, the value and wealth that you acquire in silver will be 100% dependent on the actual weight of silver that you have. It does not depend on the collector quality. It does not depend on the grade by MS. It does not depend on the, it doesn't depend on the numismatic speculation value. The only value that matters is the ounces and weight of silver that you have, grams, ounces, half ounces, etc. Right? So any weight will supersede the polish or the shine or the design or the face of the coin, right? So no matter what premium is on a silver eagle, it's way better to stack raw rounds. It's way better to stack raw bullion, okay? These coins are raw bullion, okay? They're just rounds, okay? Well, maybe he bought some different coins, but technically the ones that you're sent per month are just rounds, okay? You get it for about $30 a month. The price goes a little bit up, a little bit down, depending on spot price. But the premiums on eagles and the collector value of certain coins will never overvalue the amount of silver that you have. So it's better to accumulate silver rather than premium coins or collector coins. So I hope that makes sense. Like rounds and raw bullion and the amount of weight that you have in real actual silver, not fake silver, is the value of your stack. So that's why I prefer Quicksilver over other silver MLMs, because it's only $10 per month to be a part of this program. Other programs are a lot more per month, which means I'm missing out on literally ounces of silver that I could be stacking, which is in turn the real value of my silver stack, which means I would rather go with Quicksilver, because I'm going to save more money with the Quicksilver membership, because it's only $10 per month, versus the other ones that were like $60, $40, right? So if the membership's $40 per month over there, but $10 a month over here, that means it's a $30 difference, which means I'm losing out on one silver coin per month if I go with the other guy, if I go with the competitors, right? But if I go with Quicksilver, I can save that $30 in membership and apply it towards another silver coin. Boom. I'm stacking more silver with Quicksilver. And that's the ultimate value of your silver stack, right? So, if you want to complete the challenge, click right here, scroll down, and click right here, or click right here to complete the challenge automatically. But just go ahead and get started with Quicksilver anyways at the challenge package 1 silver coin right now, no matter what, and start stacking silver. Get started on my team. I actually build you a funnel just like this, and it'll have your video, and then I actually show you how I build this funnel for you. You can actually give away my bonuses as well as your bonuses. I coach you and teach you how to do everything on the back end, and I show you how to do an unboxing video, and we help you put that in here so that people know, like, and trust you. And then we also splice that in with some instructions on how to get started so that people know how to get started, where to get started, why to get started there, and what the best place to get started is for them. So I'll help you build a funnel. I'll help you add email autoresponders to your email or to your follow-up. So go ahead and get started on my team right now. Click the link down below.